Hello, greetings. This is Hemant Chaurasia, 2201 CB26, and along with me, my team partner is Priyanshi Sharma, 2201 ME46, and we are presenting our own project for the Python. So, as suggested in the video, we have defined two of the functions. One is for the seat allocation, and the other one is for generating the attendance sheet, as described in the problem statement. This is the Streamlit UI code which we have updated so far, and now we'll move forward to the deployed version of what we are suggesting you. Okay, so we can change the configuration over here, the buffer space per room, and enable the dense mode or the sparse mode. We are selecting the files which we want to. This is the input data which we have collected from the text messages which are displayed by you itself. So yes, now the system is running at its own. Okay, so here side by side we can see the seating plan, the room vacancy, and the attendance sheet which is displayed so far in the down corner. So this attendance sheet is specifically for 30th of 04 2016 CB204 morning shift paper, as you can see over there, and we can download all of these sheets. We have given it a interface so that it is friendly for us. Not multiple sheets get downloaded into our system directly. So we have the option of searching for the particular roll number as well, like shown over here itself. And similarly, we can do the same for the room vacancy details. Okay, so this is the enlarged view which we have created for all the versions which we are showcasing in the UI. And for the attendance sheet, as I have suggested so far, we can also change the shift, like the view attendance sheet method. We can change it to any shift, and for the any of the course which is given so far, it will update accordingly and will show us the desired results. Okay, so this is the updated one. Okay, so let's download one of the CSV from our side for the seating plan, and let's see that how it looks from the CSV point of view. So okay, as suggested, like what the suggested output was in the similar manner. So we have created such a system, and for the attendance sheets, we have segregated all the columns: the morning shift for this course, the morning evening shift for the particular course, and these are the signatures, name, and roll number as per the suggested output. So okay, that's all. We can also change the buffer size as I have suggested you so far earlier in the video as well. So yes, that's all for our system. Thank you so much.